Just guys, whatever you do, just get off of Credit Karma.
Where do you go to get an accurate reporting of your credit?
MyScore IQ or Identity IQ are two, in my opinion, the best platforms in the credit world because they give you the most in-depth, detailed breakdown of your entire report from A to Z. And it's actually really easy to read. They have all three bureaus. It's color-coded. They give you all of your personal information. Myself, my clients, my family members, my loved ones, they all use MyScore IQ or Identity IQ. So that's what I recommend. Please, just guys.
Maybe to read your credit, it could be the best place, but for your credit score, I do not recommend it. I recommend Experian.com and subscribing to their membership. This is not a paid promotion or anything. The only reason why is because you get access to the credit score that the lenders use whenever approving for your loan, so you know always what your accurate credit score is either going through Experian or going through myfico.com if you want to get the most accurate credit score, because obviously on Experian you'll see your FICO score 8, which is great. A lot of lenders do use that, but when it comes to auto loans, mortgages, and credit cards, there's different credit scores. So if you're not aware of that, I would say Experian.com is the best. That's the one that I use whenever I want to know where my accurate credit score is for all those type of products. So yeah, follow me for more credit tips and advice. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments. Or if you need help with your credit, go ahead and send me an email.